Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for the burgers, I've just got 500 grams, which is a pound of, this is beef mince, but I really like it with lamb mince as well, but any ground meat will be great. So I'm just going to get a few pinches of salt, because that's all we're going to use to season these burgers. And I've got clean hands. Then we're just going to divide it into 4 portions. And this has been frozen, which is why it looks a bit mushy, but that's fine. We're going to just kind of form it into, and the colour's a bit grey and blah, but still going to taste delicious and it'll look fine when it's cooked. So just going to form it into 4 burgers, and we want to kind of work that salt in a bit so that it gets to season all the meat, and the salt actually helps to bind the protein so that the burgers stick together. And then I'm just going to roast them in a really hot oven, so 250C, which is about 480 F. So while the burgers are cooking, I'm just going to make my salsa. So I've got 100 grams, so 3.5 ounces of roasted. I'm using flaked almonds, but if you wanted to use whole almonds, you could and just chop them up. Then I've got some lemon juice, and then a small bunch of mint that I've just picked the leaves off, so there's no stalks in there. I'm just going to roll it, scrunch them all together, and then just finely chop, but no need to be too pedantic about it. Like, you don't want big chunky mint leaves, but you also doesn't need to be too fine, because we're going for a kind of a rustic salsa vibe. So then we'll just we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and same again of extra virgin olive oil. Just give that a stir in with a big pinch of salt. Great, and then just get your mint leaves in when you're ready to serve, because they'll start to wilt and go brown. So I just leave them sitting on the top there, and then I'll just stir it all together just before I serve, and I'll taste it and add more salt or lemon if it needs it. So burgers have been in the oven for 10 minutes and they're all kind of golden brown. The juices are starting to come out, so they're definitely cooked. When you cook burgers in the oven like this, they don't look as pretty as they do in the pan, but it's just so much easier that I actually prefer it. So yeah, I'm just going to serve with the salsa on top and a green salad on the side. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.